welcome to our last video of chapter 3. In this video, we're going to implement all the moves that we've learned into one short choreography. So let's get started. We want to remind you what we did so far. We did the T-step basic on the spot, T-step traveling to the right, T-step traveling to the left, and T-step triangle. So, how do I implement all of these moves together? We're going to do one T-step on the spot, to the right, one to the left. 2 T-step traveling to the right, switch, 2 to the left, switch. Triangle to the right, switch, triangle to the left. What? Like this. Single, switch, single, switch, double, switch, double, switch, try and go, and switch, try and go, and switch. Slowly. 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8. Triangle from here. Back, side, front, and switch. Back, side, front, and switch. 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Back, side, front, switch, back, side, front, and switch. So the connections between the moves are pretty easy because I always finish the move with a preparation for the other side. Very good, guys. Let's practice with music. Guys, I'm so proud of you. Good job. I love you and I'll see you soon.